Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, I did film this video right after the giveaway for the Gremlin class and right after the same video that included the why I stopped baking. And it's just because I don't really find a lot of time, and today I just am in the mood for filming, and I really have been going crazy so I can show you what's in that box. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I unboxed it. I think it was on maybe Wednesday or Tuesday or something, but it's something super cool. So I'm going to take it out of the box. If you haven't seen, if you weren't there for the Instagram, I did go ahead and wrap it back so that any of you that don't follow me on Instagram can see the reveal here on YouTube. I haven't used it, and it's because I just wanted to be fair and show all of you here too, because I just feel that you guys are my friends and that you guys deserve that. So anyway, let me get to it. So here is what's in here, and I think from there you can kind of tell. If you do follow the account that makes this, then you know what's in here. But take it out, and it comes in a dust bag, and I've been wanting this forever. So it's the unicorn purse by SHOEBAKERY. It does come with a little horn. Here she is. That is so cute. I love it. And I'll zoom in so you guys can see some of the details there. Look at these little things here. You know, I forgot what tip that is. There's a Wilton tip that looks like that, but a lot of bakers, the Purple Cupcake. So if you guys follow the Purple Cupcake, she uses a lot of these little droplings or frosting. I don't know what they're called. Frosting cones, whatever they're called, on her cupcakes. But anyway, so basically the concept of SHOEBAKERY is that they make purses and shoes that relate to food items. And the unicorn cake was, for me, it still is, and it always will be, but it was a trend a few years ago, maybe like 2 years ago is when it all started. I still make unicorn cakes. I will always make unicorn cakes, and I still see them being made all over. Anyway, so let's get to here. So let's remove the plastic and a little plastic here. And yes, she has ears. That's so cute. Look at it. You guys remember I did a video, I think it was in December, where I said I love the egg mold and I'm gonna go put it in my purse. This is the purse I'll put all my little cake pop molds into. So if you see me wearing this purse, ask me for a cake pop mold. I may have it, not all the time, but for example, if I go to a cake show and I'm wearing this and you want to ask me for a mold, I may have one in here. Okay, so let's continue with the outside. So the eyes are embroidered in. It has a logo down here of SHOEBAKERY, and pardon me if I don't do a well enough showing of the purse. I've never done a purse unboxing video or like a detailed description video of a purse, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, the purse does have feet, so when you set it on a surface, it doesn't sit flat on this white, but it sits on the little feet, and it doesn't flop over either. Then it also has a feature where you can wear it as a backpack using these loopholes, or you can wear it as a purse or a crossbody using the sides here. It is a light pink. Well, it is a lighter pink than most pinks, but maybe some people think it's a bright pink, you know, whatever. But it's pink on the sides. On the inside, there is a little compartment here that I would probably use to put, like, if I carried cake stuff in here, I would put Sugarworks scrapers, those little flexible ones, in there. Those would be perfect to go there. Then inside, it comes with 2 of these straps. Now the shorter one, I'm guessing, goes to wear it as a crossbody or a purse, and the longer one is probably to wear it as a backpack. Like I said, I haven't worn the purse because I wanted to show it to you guys first, so that's why everything is still wrapped in there. And it does come stuffed with paper. Let me take this out. And if you are going to the Cake Bar show in Long Beach, I will be taking this purse with me. Let me put that there. Some more paper. So here's how it looks on the inside. It is pink, and it has 2 little pockets, one here, one there, and it has a zipper back here. So here it is, a zipper. And then on the inside it says, let me see what it says, hold on. It says SHOEBAKERY by Chris Campbell. So here she is. I know this video was quite short, but I am excited to show you guys this. I will leave a link to SHOEBAKERY website. At the moment, at the last cake show that I went to, these were on pre-order. I'm not quite sure if they're going to the Cake Bar show, but if they are, I will let you guys know on my Instagram. And I'll also leave the link below to my little cake pop molds, because I may put all my molds in here and carry them around with me. So I know it was a short video, you guys, but if you want to see more specs on the purse, visit the SHOEBAKERY website and also my Instagram @VeryCherryCakes, so I can post a lot of them there later. Also follow me on Snapchat, because I'll most likely link all the stuff there as well. And you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.